Good morning, madam. Would you care for some breakfast?
Yes, please. What menu do you have?
Today we have two choices for breakfast. It is grilled beef with Japan style with salted mushroom and rice, or the stewed chicken with tomato sauce.
I would like to have beef, please.
Okay. Do you get more mashed tomato?
No, I'm good.
Would you like to have something drink? Today we have water, soft drink, red wine, and some beer.
May I have beer, please?
Do you get more ice?
Yes, thank you.
Okay, madam. Enjoy your breakfast. Thank you.
Good morning. Would you care for some breakfast do you have, madam?
Yes, please. What menu do you have?
Today we have two choice for breakfast. Is it grilled beef with Japanese style with salted mushroom and rice or the stewed chicken with tomato sauce?
I would like to have beef, please.
Do you have get more mashed potato?
No, thanks.
Okay. Would you like to have something to drink? Today we have water, soft drink, red wine, and some beer.
May I have beer, please?
Okay. Do you get more ice?
Yes, thank you.
Okay, enjoy to breakfast. Thank you.